Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of edge artificial intelligence and on-device generation. We will learn how you can run powerful artificial intelligence models right on your own computer or phone without needing to connect to the cloud. First, let us define what we mean by edge artificial intelligence. Traditionally, when you use tools like ChatGPT, you are using cloud artificial intelligence. Your data is sent over the internet to massive servers where the processing happens. Edge artificial intelligence is the opposite. The processing happens locally, right on your device, which we call the edge of the network. So why should you care? The biggest reason is privacy. With local models, your data never leaves your device. This means no third-party companies can see your prompts, your code, or your personal documents. It is total data sovereignty and zero leakage risk. Another major benefit is reliability. Because the model is on your hard drive, you get instant responses without network lag. More importantly, it works completely offline. You can use advanced artificial intelligence on an airplane or in a remote cabin without any internet connection. You might be wondering, how do these massive models fit on a laptop? The secret is a process called quantization. High-end models use large, precise numbers. By reducing this precision slightly, for example converting 32-bit numbers to 4-bit integers, we can shrink a model from 30 gigabytes down to just 4 gigabytes with almost no loss in intelligence. Running these models requires hardware. While your central processing unit can handle basic tasks, modern artificial intelligence relies heavily on graphics processing units. Additionally, new computers are now coming with neural processing units, or NPUs, which are chips specifically designed to run artificial intelligence math efficiently. Software has also advanced rapidly. Tools like Llama.cpp allow these models to run on standard consumer hardware. ONNX Runtime and MLX for Mac users are other popular frameworks. For beginners, applications like LM Studio or Llama make downloading and running a model as simple as installing a regular app. What can you actually do with this? Developers use local coding assistants to write software securely. Writers use it to summarize private notes. Artists generate images using Stable Diffusion locally. And travelers use real-time translation features on their phones without paying for roaming data. It is not all perfect, however. Running artificial intelligence locally consumes a lot of power, which can drain your battery quickly. It also generates heat. Furthermore, these models are hungry for random access memory. You will typically need at least 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM to get good performance. Looking ahead, the future is hybrid. As small language models get smarter and hardware gets better with dedicated NPUs, our devices will handle everyday artificial intelligence tasks instantly. We will only reach out to the cloud for the most complex problems. To summarize, edge artificial intelligence puts the power of generation in your hands. It is private, fast, and accessible. If you have a modern computer, I highly recommend trying out a local model today to see the future of computing for yourself.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.